Now we will talk about iterator. Let's do this iteration first, then we will do remove thing and all, because important part is if there are 100 values, as of now you are doing system.out.println and printing it. This is not the right way. Okay. So there is iterator technique, right? But before that, simplest way is, can I do it like this? For, we'll use for each loop. It is kind of for each loop. For string temp, you can give any name. I am giving temp. And then here give the name of your set. So my set name is shopping items. And then you do system.out.println and say temp. Will it work? So for each loop is superb. Is superb. Why? Because you don't have to say starting from the zero or while loop, where to start, where to end, nothing like that. Okay. So with list and set both, this for loop is fine. This for loop is fine. How it works? It says that for each value from here, put it to the string one by one, right? And do something. Whatever you want to do it, you do it here, right? Inside this curly bracket. And once there is no value here, it's fine. It will automatically come out of the for loop. You don't have to say come out when there is a end of the set or end of the list. Nothing like that. It will come automatically. This is a good way. Okay. Another way is through iterator. Okay. So what you can do, you can say iterator, 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 and just a minute, you have to give a name. So let's say I'm giving items. You can give any name, man. Okay. Items is equals to what you want to iterate, that you have to say. I want to iterate this dot. So this is the syntax. This is the syntax. What we are saying that I want to put an iterator into shopping list. It's like this. Shopping item. Put an iterator. Iterator is which iterate or parse or scan the values one by one. It's like this. Once you have created this shopping item thing, so what it will do in this particular collection, it will say, okay, this is here. I will iterate it one by one. I want to iterate this one by one. It's like this. So it doesn't work with the index. It works with the pointer. So for example, this will point next to this. This will point next to this. This will point next to this. But the good part is in Java, there is lot of, abstraction is there. There are a lot of things which works behind the scene. You don't know how it is working, right? So here you have to say what kind of item it is. It is a string. Fine. Done. Now you have items. So what you can do here, as a simple example, I'm showing you system.out.println. Can I print items? Can I print items? Will it work? I don't think so. This is printing me hash map key iterator some reference it is printing. Items will not have all the items. It is just a kind of pointer to all the items. But you have to use dot next. That will give you the next item. It's like this. So if I print now, this will print me some item. It's printing me T. So let me separate it out so that you will understand that the new thing here. Hold on. Save this. Let's run this now. So you have to concentrate on line number 37 only. Yes, T is getting printed. And if I'll again print this, and again print this. So what will happen? This should print me 3 values. It's printing me tea salt watch. Okay, it's printing me tea salt watch. Fine. But there is a problem. How you will get to know that how many times I have to do next? See, as of now, you know there are 7 to 8 values. But at the time of executing it, right, you should not know how many values are there. Whatever number of values are there, you want to pass it and print it. So this is not a good way. Okay. The thing is, you should use again for loop. Okay. Or while. While is better. So what we'll say? While items, and it's very logical, dot has next. So we are checking if there is value. If it has next. What is has next function? We are saying it will return you boolean, returns true if the iterator has more elements. If it has more elements, it will return true. If doesn't have more elements, it will false. So, you know, it will automatically come out of the condition while loop, because once it will become false means there is no value present there. So this is good way. This is a good way. While there is a value, you know, print the next item. It's like this. This time, if you see, all the values are printed. Great. So there are some collection where you have to use iterator. You cannot use for index 0 to go to the length of the shopping items. Why you cannot do that? Because set doesn't work with the index. We saw it, right, in one of the properties about set, that where was that? Unlike list and array, set does not support indexes and the position. It's not about position because it's random. That's why you cannot say going from 0 going to the end. But yes, you know the length. So for example, if I want to print how many values are there, that is possible. I can say shopping items dot size, same thing. That will tell you how many values are there in set. It will tell you how many values are there. 7 values are there. Okay, that's it. Fine. Let's see quickly the other functions which you can implement on shopping item. Let's see one by one. Shopping items set dot. When you say dot, add, we have seen add means adding another value. Add all means getting from some other collection and adding the whole collection to the this set. It's like this. Clear is same as list. It will clear out all the values, means it will make empty set. But let's use this. Can I add null value? Can I add null value? That is going to be interesting. What we are doing is we want to add null value, right? It's possible. That is possible in set. So you can have null values in your set. Null means nothing, not defined as of now. You can change it later on if possible. See here, null is added. Okay, fine. Other thing, let's do it. Shopping list or shopping item, sorry. So we saw contains. Contains will check whether a particular value is present in that or not. So that will give you true or false. So if I want to check, hey, whether jeans is present or not in this shopping items. So it will check and it will tell you true or false whether that is present or not. Okay, so I'm checking whether jeans is present or not. So this will give me true or false. Here it will give you false because in that set jeans was not there. If it is there, it will show you true. Next function. Just a minute. Shopping items dot. For each, you don't have to use equals will check you know, whether two sets are equal or not. So you create two different sets and say, I want to check both sets are matching or not. It's like this. Is empty will tell you whether there are values or not, right? So is empty will be true or false. It's like this. Iterator, we saw the iterator already. Remove will a particular object it will remove. So for example, let's use this. And I want to remove mug from this. I want to remove mug. It's possible. Okay. And let's print again just to check whether mug is removed from the set or not. So let's delete one more items, not just mug. Let's remove tea also. Mug and tea should be removed. When I'm running this, at the end, if you see salt, watch, fruit, toy, chocolate, and what else? Yeah, that's it. It is not showing me mug and tea. It is removed. Fine. You may be thinking where it will be implemented. Let's understand. When there is exam and somebody will be, let's say, fail, right? So in the list, when they want to show the result, they want to remove a particular roll number, right? So they will remove it like this, and then they will show you the whole roll number values. Okay. Just an example. What else we have? Shopping items dot remove we have seen. To array, you can convert it to array of objects. Splitrator, this is the new thing added after Java 8. It's like this, right? So splitrator implementation should document the reporting of additional characteristics values. Create a splitrator over the element in the set. I have not used it, but you should try it. You know, read more about it, how this splitrator works and all. Wait. Okay, nothing is there. Done. That's it. I'm not doing remove and all. Try it on your own. So these are the basic functions. These are the very basic functions provided by the Java itself to use sets. Okay, great. Do you guys have any question here? Let me check in chat window. Okay, I said no. We'll add numerical set also. Let's do that. In the practice, we'll create a new class and we'll say set demo 2. Okay, let's create a new set now. What we will say? We will say set. Okay, set I want to use. What is the name of my set? Roll numbers. Roll numbers. Okay, that will be the name of your set. You can give any name. So just a minute. It should be here. Roll numbers. Roll number is equals to new hashtag. So one of the set type is hashtag. There is tree set also available. There is tree set also available. You should read about it. You should read about what is the difference. Can I write int here like this? No. Let's understand. You have to write properly the integer, not just like what we say int, okay? Because it requires what we say primitive generic, okay? So integer is a class in Java. It requires to put properly integer. It's like this, okay? Will it work? Let's see. So I'll say roll numbers dot add what I want to add 101. Okay. Okay. Let's add more roll numbers. Whatever way you will add, it is not going to give you in the same order. I am adding 101, 102, 103, but that doesn't mean it will preserve the order. It will have all those things, but it's not guarantee that it will preserve that order. Okay. If I print roll numbers and let's print this here, it is showing me 101, 102, and 103. It is showing me as of now, but it's not like that it will show you every time in the order. Okay. Let's keep on adding. Let's keep on adding the values. I will say, let's say 104, 105, 106, and we will print it again. So it's possible. So you can have set of numbers, you can have set of string, both thing is fine. I just wanted to show you. That's why I've created this numerical thing also. Okay, fine. That's it for today. Thank you.